can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about Supreme Week 16. I know this video might be coming out late, but I don't know what's been going on with Supreme lately. They literally been dropping the drop list like the same day or like the day before, which is Wednesday, like around 2 to 3, which is honestly tragic. They normally drop it like around Monday, Tuesday. So this video is kind of delayed, but I do want to say that if you guys do end up enjoying this one, go ahead and slap a fat like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also do not forget to click the Gleam link, which is going to be at the top of the description or somewhere around there if you do want to enter in a 5-winner Supreme giveaway. There's going to be some sick items being given away, so you definitely don't want to miss out. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I'm not going to lie, this week is looking kind of ass to begin with. Like, there's not going to be a collaboration this week or nothing. I feel like with everything that's been going on outside, Supreme kind of went on the back burner. They're not really trying to push out anything that's too fire. There was rumors that there was going to be a collab this week and that's canceled, so I don't really know what's going on. It looks like a whole bunch of items from the lookbook that are kind of ass, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
We're going to start with this grid soccer jersey, which is all the way at the bottom. This is something that I definitely wouldn't go for. It's definitely on the louder side, and it's something that I wouldn't really wear that much, so I'm going to probably just leave it right there at the bottom of the list where it deserves to be. This shit is kind of dookie, bro. It comes in like 3 to 4 different colorways. It has Supreme New York blasted all around the shirt. There's like this weird ass plaid design to it, which I've never seen before. Low-key almost like a checkerboard, but not really. So this one's gonna retail at $100 for a jersey, which is really like a shirt. This could smoke a tip. Like, I'm good on this one. Next up, we got the embroidered short sleeve shirt. This is like that go to the beach in Hawaii vibe right here, like that Cuban type shirt. I'm good on this one too. It's a little bit too much for me. It comes in 4 different colorways. It's black, white, pink, and then the blue color. I feel like this is a little bit too much. This is like something that your grandfather will wear on a Tuesday, just play some dominoes type vibe. I'm good on this one right here. This is the mega silky shirt. Like, I'm good on that. We got the grid soccer shorts. These are gonna come up for $100 and they're nothing too special, bro. Like, I feel like this is so ass. It's the same design as the jersey, and if I'm not mistaken, soccer shorts are like hella short. It's like low-key over your kneecap, so I'm good on all that, bro. Like, I'm good. Next up, we got the world famous coach's jacket. This is actually not that bad. I do wish that it had a design on the front or like a small logo at least, and it doesn't, which is kind of trash. It's literally a plain jacket on the front, and then on the back it says world famous Supreme team. I feel like if it had a small Supreme logo on the front, this would definitely do way better than what it will do. I am a fan of that cream color. That like purplish blue color is pretty fire as well, but besides that, I really am not a fan. This is something that's just gonna go with the wind. This is $138 for a jacket. Is not that bad, but it's just something that I probably just wouldn't go for, especially with summer right here around the corner. We gonna be good on this one right here. We got the Dazzle mesh short sleeve top. This is gonna retail at $78. Comes in 4 different colorways, and I feel like I'm asleep on this one too. This is like an all over mesh, so you got like cheese holes all around the shirt. I'm good on this one. There's like this design or like a Supreme branding, which kind of almost looks like it's on the inside of the shirt. A little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's not that bad. Like, I could see somebody freaking this and making it look cool in the summertime. I'm just not that person, so we gonna leave this shit right there. Definitely my favorite color in this one would be the black or the gray color because it has the Supreme branding in red, but resale wise, definitely not there. Retail $78 on that one as well, which is pretty steep for a shirt, I'm not gonna lie to you. Next up, we got these work shorts, which I feel like have been supposed to drop for so long now, and they just keep getting delayed. These are gonna come out in like 8 different colorways. I definitely am a fan of that blue. That like peachy pink color is pretty fire. Then you got these 2 American flag colors, which are extravagant, bro. They're wilding with those. I'm definitely not gonna go for these shorts either. Retailing at $110 for some shorts. I don't do that too often, I'm not gonna lie. We got these over dyed pocket tees coming out. If I'm not mistaken, these were supposed to drop a couple times as well. I feel like these were supposed to drop like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and they never did, but this is a fire tee nonetheless. I do like that camo colorway and like that grayish over dyed, like almost like a washed out black type color. That one is my favorite as well. These are gonna retail for $58, which isn't that bad for a tee. Mind you, these are like the more premium quality Supreme tees, so I definitely see why it's more expensive. I just don't see myself going for it, and I don't feel like it's gonna have resale at all, to be honest. But the overdyed tee is something that I'm definitely just gonna sleep on. I feel like this week is mainly a sleeper. There's probably like one item that I'm trying to go for, and I'm honestly okay if I don't end up getting it. Like, it's whatever. But we got like 4 or 5 more items to talk about, and I do want to say that if you guys are trying to secure any of these items, you should go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are one of the more reliable iOS bots. I typically do work with them because they end up cooking for a lot of people, and this is another chance for you guys to go ahead and cook up on this week's drop. Make sure you go ahead and check them out because they are actually selling out. The bot does retail for like $130, but with my promo code you can get it for $117. You can also go ahead and divide the payments into 4 separate payments if you can't afford to pay it all in one. But without any further ado, let's talk about the rest of these items and then get straight up out of here. So next up, we got this warm-up hooded sweatshirt. This one's actually not that bad. Definitely am a fan of like that red color. It has like this navy stripe on it, and it says Supreme really small. It's kind of like the contrast stitch logo where it's really small, like that in the center. I feel like this one is not that bad in general. I just don't feel like I would go for it if I'm being honest. It doesn't even have front pockets, which is kind of weird on a hoodie. That's kind of weird, bro. Think about it, bro. Every hoodie that you buy, which is like a over the body type hoodie, does have front pockets. This one doesn't, which is kind of steep. I do like this one though in that red and navy color. The black and white is also fire. Then you got like that Dallas Mavericks color, which I'm okay on. Definitely not gonna go for this one. Retail is $158. That shit is steep, bro. I'm good on that one. After that, we got the Naomi Campbell Crewneck, which is actually crazy in my opinion. Huge fan of this one. This is like an all over print type crewneck. They typically don't do these designs. That's why mainly I am a fan of this. It got like that weird Supreme spell out on the side. Then you got Naomi Campbell dead on the front with like these flames going on around her. This is definitely fire. I just don't see myself going for it. Honestly, if I were to go for it, it would be in that gray with the blue, which is probably the better color out of all of them. This is an artwork by Mark Gonzalez. The Naomi Campbell crewneck is not that bad. I actually am a fan of this one. I just don't know if I'll be going for it, quite honestly. It's a lot of money for a crewneck, and I don't even wear crewnecks. But if this is something that you're interested in, definitely go for it, bro. I feel like resale this week is a dub, but for the personal, there are some bangers in here, honestly. Next up, we got the Known As towel. This is actually fire. I would definitely go for this in either the red or the black colorway. The teal is actually pretty good as well, but I just bought Supreme towels in the past and I never end up using it. Like low-key, I bought a Supreme towel one time and I had it on my couch just laying out, which is kind of weird. I probably will end up using it now that I don't need it anymore, but this is a pretty fire towel. It says we want it to be known as Supreme, which is pretty clean. I do like that teal colorway. I don't know why, but the more I look at it, I feel like that color is actually fire. I feel like this towel would have been even better if the letters were in 3M, where like the light flashes on it and it's blasted in brightness. That would have been fire, but retail on this one is $68. I honestly don't feel like it's gonna have much resale because the retail is already so high, but that is a fire piece to go ahead and buy for the personal. Now there is one piece which I'm definitely gonna try to go for this week, and it is this Shed Rain transparent umbrella. This shit is fire, bro. It's like a checkerboard umbrella, and I never thought I'd be buying like a hype beast or like a streetwear umbrella, but if you think about it, this is something that you'll probably end up using if you ever need an umbrella, because it's gonna rain regardless one of these days type shit. So this is something that I definitely am considering, and the retail isn't even that high. It's like $38. I feel like resale for this might be there like $60 if anything. I just don't think that this week has many items to go for if you're trying to make money. Like this is kind of like another sleeper week. I feel like ever since this whole shit happened with the cops and all that situation, Supreme kind of let their guard down, which I kind of understand. You can't even blame them for it, but this week is another sleeper week. Hopefully next week we get a collab or something like that. Definitely gonna be going for the umbrella. I like the overdyed tee as well. I like the Naomi Campbell crewneck, but I don't know if I'll end up going for it for the personal. I feel like resale on that is kind of a gamble, which you might have to decide on your own. I feel like some items this week are kind of fire, but the rest is kind of a letdown. If you guys did enjoy this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description description or right under it if you do want to go ahead and check out that Supreme giveaway, where there's gonna be 5 different winners. You're gonna have a chance to win 2 Supreme tees, a Supreme shoulder bag, Supreme Oreos, or a Supreme Motion logo beanie. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check that out. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna get straight up out of here. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel